ladies and gentlemen. The Taste Tour has arrived in Paris, France. We're actually doing a day trip from London. We flew down just this morning, and here we are. It's about 11:30 in the morning. Just behind me, the backside of the Notre Dame Cathedral. If you could just pan slowly and get it in all its glory. That's Notre Dame there. It's a beautiful old cathedral, just about 900 years old. So, I don't know where, I don't know when, but taste tours will happen today. We'll figure out the rest. I will take the camera from you now and do a little panning on my own. Thanks for joining. Hope you'll join in next time. And this is the front facade of the Notre Dame Cathedral. I'll try to zoom in on some of these So, quite a cool area of the city. Let's keep going. Alright, again, another view towards Notre Dame. And then right along the banks of the Seine, moving downward toward the Louvre at this point. Just wanted to do another quick view up the river. Further down this sign now, you can see the Eiffel Tower popping its head out. And the Louvre is just over there on the right. So the Ile de la Cite just in the center there. Down the sign. And towards the other side, with the Louvre on the right. I'll zoom in as far as I can on the Eiffel Tower there. So, and then off to this side, so we've just walked up Champs-Élysées, and there is the Arc de Triomphe. Walked all the way from, I think the last video was around the Louvre area. So, Arc de Triomphe, gonna actually head to the Eiffel Tower next, and go all the way up. I've been up to the first and second decks, but never all the way. So first time for everything. All right, we're at the Trocadero area, looking at the Eiffel Tower. Getting ready to head up. Hopefully the line's not too crazy, although I fear that it probably will be. All right, like I said, this is the view from this is actually the second deck on the Eiffel Tower. That's the Sacré-Cœur Basilica there. I'll zoom all the way in. It's a bit hazy. And yet again, windy. Sorry about that. Off in this direction, it's Notre Dame. So right down there is the Trocadero area, which is where we just did the video of the Eiffel Tower from. Off in the distance, the tallest buildings, that's called La Défense. It's kind of on the outskirts of the city, but it is, it's like the industrial, or like the business area in Paris, one of them anyway. Alright, so then this is the park right off the Eiffel Tower, the Champ de Mars. See the Pantheon there if you look closely. This is from the very top now, towards the Trocadero, La Défense. This is quite high.
This is high. It's too cold for me. Okay, I'm definitely scared of heights.
You are not.
I'm not scared.
Right, again from the top deck, the Champ de Mars area. And over towards the Valide.
This is your matchmaker. Matchmate, how old is it? I need to do what I need to do.
And the Notre Dame.
Top is 300%.
Yeah,
Get back over the sign. Sacre Coeur over here. Weather's actually deteriorating quite a bit here. But still, quite a view from here up in the very top.